Hello, good afternoon. I am Wahab. Today I'm gonna present project management software tools that is free source, and I will be using two-plan software. As you can see that I already opened the software, so I'll show an example that I have done it. This the Gantt chart looks like. The reason is that each task I have package, so when I click it, open the package, so that will show the task on the package. So we can set the task on the start and finish task, and the finish will show on the Gantt chart tab. Okay, now I'm gonna show on how to use this software. This will be basic use. First, you need to create new Gantt chart. So you go to the system, new Gantt chart project plan, and click and put in the project name. I put in tutorial 2. The starting date of the project 13th of February, and make sure you have select the correct project name. But you can check it at the top. As you can see that I select the tutorial 2, so the project name will be select is tutorial 2 project, and open it the project. So we can also set the project working hours. For example, on the Monday I will be working on 5 hours, Tuesday 6 hours, and so on. Also, we can set a special date, means that also we can set a public holiday for the certain date. For example, 17th of February, public holiday, and I will be available working not for 3 hours only. As you can see that there is no any Gantt chart table because I have not put in any task. I will be assume this project will be used for students, so there will be no material required needed. We put in several percent. And put in the person information. The name for this system is actually the last name of the person, so you put in the last name of the person. For example, put in John. Oh, Case, the first name, and the initial is CG, and the other is I put it Abu, and the first name is Ali, and will be initial is A. Next step, I'll be insert a. You can also insert a milestone where the milestone will monitor the project. For example, I put it at milestone. You rename the milestone to variable such as monitoring. Monitoring system. And the date is whichever date you want to pick it. And the external means that the system is outside of the project, and you also can put it in the description. Next, I will insert the task package. I have put in several package of tasks. I want to make the task each have their own package, so can also select this and go package. So there will be a proper package for each task, and we can also rename it task. For example, planning. And inside the planning, we have, for example, gathering information. As you said, the name will be changed as we rename it, and now is deploy. Name is submit. As you can also put the description of the each task. So you can see that this is our Gantt chart. To make the clear difference between each task, we can set task finish and start and finish. I see that when I change the finish, it will be show on the Gantt chart table. It show the changes. You can also input a milestone. For example, on the gathering information, I want to set the milestone, and I have monitoring system for the gather information. So I put it. As you can see that, get the information. Now we show the milestone on the date. It is on Thursday. Okay, basically this is all on how to use software. This is only for the basic part. Thank you.